Hey pool owners! Waving hand cleaning your pool can be time-consuming, but not anymore. Today we're reviewing the 2025 upgrade WYBOT C1 Robotic Pool Vacuum, a smart, cordless 4-in-1 cleaner that handles floors, walls, waterline, and drains for both in-ground and above-ground pools. With 150 minutes of battery life, app control, and smart navigation, this robot makes pool maintenance effortless. 4-in-1 cleaning capability, cleans floor, walls, waterline, and drains for complete coverage. Cordless operation, no messy cables, just drop it in and go. Smart navigation system, maps your pool intelligently to avoid missing spots or repeating areas. 150-minute battery life, powerful and long-lasting, ideal for medium to large pools. App support, control, schedule, and monitor cleaning sessions directly from your smartphone for ultimate convenience. Comprehensive cleaning, floors, walls, and waterlines all spotless. Cordless and hassle-free, no tangled hoses or cords. Smart app control, schedule and monitor your cleaning from anywhere. Takes a few hours to recharge fully. Slightly heavy to lift when removing from the pool, but manageable. If you want a hands-free, smart, and efficient way to keep your pool clean, the 2025 WYBOT C1 Robotic Pool Vacuum is a top choice. Check it out now on Amazon. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe bell for more pool tech reviews, and drop a comment telling us which pool gadget you want reviewed next.